Hey, welcome back to Bitter-Swede Garage. I'm Andrew, and today I think I'm gonna clean up this old 350 I got laying around. I power washed it the other day, and then I got a little self-conscious about getting water in it, so I made sure to spray some stuff in there, so it's probably fine. So yeah, let's check it out. Get rid of that death trap and put it on this other death trap. So here it is, 350 out of a 76 GMC, I think. I bought the truck and then decided not to fix it. The engine was in the back of the bed. So I kept the engine and sold the rest of the truck because I was pretty sure I could get it running. So I did. You can kind of see if you look through our videos, or maybe PJ can put a link. So I got it running just on the ground. Helps when you put the spark plugs in the right orientation. But it cleaned up pretty good with my power washer. But I'm gonna take the manifolds off and get in there with a wire brush and maybe paint it up, you know, rebuild it. So I think about going back with the this manifold's off like a 78, 79 Corvette. And I always do the typical Chevy Orange, but I don't know. I thought maybe a blue 350 would be nice for once. Chevy blue, not the other kind. So yeah, let's get to it. Well, I might as well pull this thing off while we're at it. Hopefully you don't break something. I'll make sure there's not a washer in there. There we go. Ta-da! Maybe I should replace that seal. You know, it leaked a little bit. Well, I got the front pretty well cleaned up, so let's keep moving. Well, we're getting there. Guess we're about halfway done. I was able to get the flex plate out without taking it off the... It was real close, but I got it. Well, look what I found. Apparently this was for my 54 Chevy wagon, but I didn't need it. So, throw that on there. There we go. Even found a cap so that I can paint it. All right, I got her cleaned off and wiped down. The intake manifold was pretty clean actually, so I just tried to scuff it up a little bit. Some of that stuff I couldn't get in real tight, so I just cleaned it out with some brake cleaner and dried it off. And then masking off all the stuff I don't want to get painted. So, I saw this masking trick from that, what? No way! Guy. And so, it works pretty good. You just put your masking tape on there, tap around the edges with the hammer. Let's see if I can get that. You don't gotta beat it up, just, here you go. Whoop, whoop. But yeah, it's a lot faster than trying to cut it out with a razor. So anyway, get some primer on this thing and then I'll show you the color. All right, got it primered. Looks pretty good. Mostly just helps the color go farther. So that's the color. I figured, you know, I've got blue engines. I've got Chevy red, aka orange. I don't have any gray. So this is the DE 1611 New Ford Gray. So yeah, I'll do the water pump and all the pulleys and the harmonic balancer black, like semi-gloss black. So I think it'll look pretty good. Yeah. There's a old Chevy gray that I was after. Like I think my 37 Chevy's like a light gray. They didn't have a light gray. They had this and then aluminum. So we'll go with this and see how it turns out. Well, here she is. I don't know what I was saying there. Don't judge an engine by its engine color. That's all I'm saying. I don't know if that thing runs good or not. I mean, it runs. Good? Eh, maybe. I don't know. But yeah, I like the gray. It's a little lighter than the cap, which is normal. So, probably throw all this other stuff back on it just so I don't forget where it goes. But yeah, I think that looked pretty good. I don't know what this engine's going in, so gray goes with everything. Got it all pieced back together. I'm probably gonna use some headers, so I'll keep the ram's horns, but you know, I'll clean those up later. But I just wanted to put all the bolts back so I don't lose them. Got to press that on after I paint it, and everything's just kind of sitting on there. And I'm probably gonna get some aluminum valve covers, I don't know, or maybe just some stamped steel and then paint them gray. But here she is. And that's about it. Well, that's just a little side project. Once again, I'm good at those. I'm easily distracted. So, got that cleaned up, painted. I can shove it somewhere for future reference. I might put it in my 77 Chevy C10 because my 77 C10 has a small block 400 that's built, and it's pretty mild. It's not anything crazy, but it's a better engine than that one. But pretty soon we'll get back to work on this. So stay tuned. So thanks for watching Bitter-Swede Garage, and we'll check you next time.